This is the Logitech K380 keyboard, and this has been out for years, and I'm doing this quick review to let you see if it's still worth buying at this time. I actually got this for two reasons. First was to get rid of the wires on my office desk. Well, at least some of the wires. The second reason is because of the battery life. Logitech promises to have a 2-year battery life for this keyboard. I bought this from ITCT, which is a gadget company here in Thailand, and I bought it via Lazada last May 2017. It's worth 1,190 Thai baht, which is around $38. It came with 2 free AAA batteries of a brand that I haven't heard of, and I haven't changed it since. So this just proves that the battery life is still going strong after almost a year now. There's no battery indicator on the keyboard itself, but when you go to the Logitech Options application, you will see this. You'll see it's still saying it's full. This keyboard can connect to 3 different devices at the same time, and you can instantly switch using these buttons here. Also, from the Logitech Options application, you can see which devices are assigned to which button or number, whatever you want to call it. The connection is stable and good, and it has no problems whether you use it on Windows, iOS, or Android. I used to have a Windows 7 laptop, and I had some tweaking to do there where I had to remove or uninstall some of the Windows update to connect this keyboard. But with the Windows 10, it instantly connects. As you see here, typing response is good, whether on Windows 10 or on the iPad Air. Here's a few tests to show you the switching between devices and the typing experience. This is an all-plastic keyboard, but it does not feel cheap at all. It's solidly made when you feel and touch it, and the round keys make this look so unique. The keys are clicky but quiet, which I really like, and I think it really depends on your preference and what type of work you use this keyboard for. But for me, I prefer a quiet keyboard without the sounds like the ones from a mechanical keyboard. It's definitely showing signs of aging, as you can see here, but it's just because I've been using this on all of my working days since I bought this in May 2017. That's 5 days a week, 8 to 9 hours a day. Logitech is known for their wireless devices with the multiple settings you can do in one device. You have a few of these options in the K380 keyboard. These 4 buttons can be configured to different functions, as you can see here, or you can set it as normal function keys. This K380 keyboard perfectly pairs up with my Logitech M337 mouse, and I love the colors. If you want to see a review of the mouse, check out the link below. So what do you think? Anyone out there who's still interested in the Logitech K380 keyboard? For me personally, this is worth my money, and I think it will last me for a long time. So that's it. Thank you for watching.